Internet, you have found your daily dose of Lambdog. Today's daily dose is going to be a dose of cannabis, weed, Cheech and Chong stuff. Medical marijuana. The last couple of years, as of this posting, have seen a drastic change in public perception and public policy regarding the use of marijuana, be it either recreational or medicinal. And it's been fascinating because you hear so many stories, here lately you hear like, oh, such and such William Hearst kept hemp down, and then we have all these weird laws about hemp. And then you hear other people say, well, hemp's not that good a paper, but then hemp is that good a paper. It's weird that the people that are pro-marijuana, it isn't just one thing, it's many aspects. Now, some could argue that they're just making a stronger and stronger case in point, right? And I'll go with that. I'll give you that. I can see that. But also, perhaps I could respond with, is it one of those things like, are you go Team Green, A lot of examples, typically whenever I used to think about marijuana, it would be of the hippies, dirty hippies, smoking weed, don't have no job, shiftless, burden on their family, and in school being part of the Reagan generation, with the whole Nancy Reagan just say no. There's like a zero tolerance of drugs. And many of those things that we were taught and told were lies. It really affected a lot of people deeply. Doctors say that there are medicinal qualities to marijuana that don't exist in opiates. It's a non-opiate, and it operates as a painkiller, a receptor blocker, going at a different angle of managing pain. And I don't see a problem with doctor prescriptions including any sort of drug. So long as it's doctor regulated, then really what's the issue? So why have certain substances criminalized when the definition of the criminalization for drugs, what is it, a category 1 drug, is supposed to be that they have no health benefits whatsoever? Well, that's not true at all, right? Because opiates still have health benefits, yet heroin and things of that nature are banned. Cocaine, they didn't have a problem with cocaine having a health benefit in the 19th century, but it's all of a sudden a top category, no redeeming medicinal quality substance. I think things are abused, and it's interesting what is allowed as poison and what isn't allowed as poison, what is regulated, what isn't regulated. It's also interesting if we legalize marijuana, then we can collect the tax revenue from it. See, as a libertarian, that's not how you put the wind in my fucking sails. I'll tell you that much right now. I could give a crap. Oh, we'll get tax. Tax for who? Tax so we can put some more fuel in them drones and bomb more weddings. I'll catch y'all down the road.